Ever found yourself with some crypto on Kraken and wondered, okay, how do I actually get this out? It's a common question, and getting it wrong can be costly. You need to make sure your funds are going to the right place and that you're not paying more in fees than you have to. Well, today, we're going to walk through the exact steps to withdraw your crypto from Kraken. The process is straightforward, but there are a few key details you need to pay attention to. First, log into your Kraken account. On the main dashboard, you'll see a transfer or funding section. This is where you'll manage both your deposits and your withdrawals. Click on Withdraw. Next, you'll be prompted to select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw from a drop-down list. Be sure to select the correct one. Double-checking is always a good idea. After you've chosen your crypto, you'll need to add a withdrawal address. This is the public address of the wallet you're sending the funds to. This step is critical. A single wrong character in a crypto address means your funds could be lost forever. Kraken will also send a confirmation email to approve the new address for security. Once the address is confirmed, you'll enter the amount you want to withdraw. Kraken will display the network fees for the transaction. These fees can vary depending on the crypto and the network congestion at the time. It's important to review this information to understand the total cost. You'll also see any minimum withdrawal amounts. Finally, review all the details one last time: the crypto, the amount, the address, and the fees. Once you're confident everything is correct, click Confirm or Withdraw. The transaction will then be initiated. You can track its status in your transaction history. The processing time can vary, but for most cryptocurrencies, it's often a matter of minutes to a few hours. Just remember that some deposits, especially from new card purchases, might have a 72-hour withdrawal hold. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn your crypto from Kraken. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.